Guys, good morning. Today mag-unbox tayo ng speaker, and ito na rin yung gagamitin natin speaker for our daily driver kasi yung old speaker na ginagamit ko sa PC ko is speaker from my TV. Soundbar yon, and medyo nahihirapan ako pagka ayoko mag-headset. Yun yung ginagamit ko, and mahirap pagka FPS yung games. So, ito ngayon yung gagamitin natin. This is LOGITECH Z333, yun yung model niya. This is 80-watt speaker. Sabi dito sa box, number 1 selling PC speaker brand. So, one of the selling point yun. Very nice. And this is 2.1. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang speaker, left and right, and a subwoofer. Okay? So, unboxan natin guys. At may cutter. Siyempre, hindi na natin papatagalin para sa inyo. So, yung packaging niya, very nice. Solid yung box niya. Matigas talaga. And kung mapapansin nyo or pagka binuhat nyo, meron talagang weight doon sa item. So, legit na legit yung weight pa lang niya. Very nice. Mabigat talaga. So, solid yung item. Nuro ko lang yung keyboard ko kasi baka mabunggo. Alright. One sec. Pakita ko sa inyo yung loob ng box muna. Ayan siya guys. So, very clean. So, unang-una may tayong manual. Hindi ko alam kung manual to, pero yes, in English, meron siyang guidelines and some other different languages. Ito yung makikita natin. Meron tayong plug or adapter. Ayan. I hope nakikita nyo siya ng malinaw. And meron din tayong gantong adapter para sa bilog. Hindi ko kasi alam yung exact term sa ganyan. And another adapter, I think this is a Euro plug. Tanggalin ko na lang din sa plastic para makita nyo ng malinaw. And guys, okay. And what else do we have? Ito yung volume knob niya. Ayan. Yung analog controller niya. Ito yan. So, i-twist mo lang yan left and right. Okay, may ako natatanggalin yan. Alisin muna natin yung mga speakers. Okay. So, by the looks of it, ito yung left and right speaker. Set aside muna natin yan. And ibababa ko lang din to. Now let's open this. This is the left and right speaker. And open na siya. Napakaganda guys. Promise. I mean, hindi kayo magsisisi dito. Later on, sabihin ko sa inyo kung saan ko ito nabili. I also posted the link on the description. So, in case you want to get this, click nyo lang yung link. Ayun. So, we got the speakers na. Medyo malaki siya, which is very nice looking pag nilagay sa table. Ayun, no? Very good. Unwrap lang natin siya so I can show you how it looks. Yun. Diba? It looks good. Looks elegant, guys. Diba talaga, Logitech. Very good. Bigla ako na-excite, Ayan. Ayan siya. Very identical. Siyempre, kailangan natin i-check yung itsura ng items pag nakatanggap natin. Napakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Ilang beses kong pinanood to sa YouTube. And I finally decided na yun na yung kukunin ko. Now, let's get on the sub. Now, for the main event. Let me show you how it looks. look, oh, very smooth. We're going to test this, okay? Before that, I'm gonna show you what's on the back. So ito yung ports for the cables, and meron tayong bass controller right here. So it's gonna be the level of the bass that you want. Okay, so left and right. Okay, very basic na to. Alam nyo na yan kasi madali lang naman ikabit yun. And once again, this is the controller. So ganito lang siya. Circular. Meron siyang port for headset. Kung meron kayong headset, pwede nyo siyang lagay dito. Meron siyang light indicator. Meron siyang rubber pad here para hindi siya dumudulas. And ito yung analog controller niya. Alright. Okay, so let's go. Test na natin to. Okay, so guys, nakaset up na yung speaker natin and magpapatugtog tayo just to let you hear kung ano yung kaya ng speaker na to, and promise sobrang lakas, and I believe hindi ko siya kayang itodo sa ngayon kasi masyado akong malapit sa speaker eh. So magpapatugtog tayo and yung play natin. Alright, baba ko na kasi baka maka-copyright tayo. So nag-play na yung music. Ayan, so nasa 20% tayo ngayon. This is 30%. No, not 30. 20% lang to. This is... No, sorry. This is 50%. Yeah, 50%.
Ako'y iwanan. Huwag ngayon at di ko yata kakayanin.
It's 60%.
Huwag ngayon. Huwag ngayon. Huwag nang pahirapan ang mga puso. Sabihin ng totoo. Alam kong hindi ako dun sa lugar kung saan ka magiging masaya. Kahit na hindi ako kasama, ihahatid kita. Palayain ang pusong di mapit.
Hindi natin siya naitodo kasi sobrang lakas eh. Pero napakinggan nyo naman, okay? Ang masasabi ko lang, very good yung speaker and marirecommend ko siya sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng speaker for their computers. Very useful siya sa paglalaro ng games, panonood ng movies, and some other things na ginagamitan ng audio, okay? If you like this video, hit like, and if you want to see more of this, just hit subscribe, and if you want to be updated, make sure to click on the notification bell. This is Darwin, and thank you again for watching Dart Tech and Reviews.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.